In this video, I will be showing you how to set up Wispr Flow to speed up your workflow using voice commands and snippets. Let's get started. First, I'll open the Flow desktop application to access my main dashboard. Here, I can keep track of my daily word count, dictation history, and my current typing speed. I'm going to navigate to the snippets section on the left sidebar because I want to create a voice-triggered shortcut for a message I send frequently. I'll click on the Add New button in the top right corner to open the configuration window. In the expansion field, I'm adding a detailed job application letter that I use as a template. I'll give this snippet a short, clear name by typing Apply into the snippet field so that Flow knows exactly what to look for when I speak. Once that's filled out, I'll click Add Snippet to save it to my library. Next, I need to make sure my advanced voice commands are active. I'll head down to the settings icon at the bottom left and select the experimental tab from the menu. From here, I'll toggle on command mode, which is essential for giving the AI specific instructions beyond just simple dictation. Now that the setup is complete, I'll jump over to Gmail to put this into practice. With a new email message open, I'll place my cursor in the body of the text. Instead of typing out that long letter manually, I'll simply use my voice to say the word, apply. You can see Flow immediately recognizes the command and populates the entire snippet for me instantly. To take it a step further, I can highlight the text I just generated and use another voice command to edit it. I'll tell Flow to rephrase this to sound more professional. Flow processes the request, taking a few seconds to analyze the context and the tone, and then it automatically replaces my original draft with a much more sophisticated and polished version. This allows me to draft, expand, and refine complex documents entirely hands-free. Everything looks perfect, and I've managed to complete a professional email in seconds without any traditional typing. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.